At the beginning of my English journey, I used to write down new words. Wherever I used to get new words, I used to write it down. Also, after writing, I used to write the meaning of that word. Plus, once I know the meaning of that word, I used to search for some sentences. Once I get the sentences, I used to write it down. But you know what happened? Whenever I try to speak, hardly I can speak anything. I used to go blank. Those words never helped me. But I never gave up. And today, I can speak English anytime, anywhere. So today, I'm going to tell you how you can also do the same thing like me. One more thing. Few of my subscribers, they are asking me to talk in Hindi. तो मेरे दोस्त, अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ तो आपको तो समझ में आएगा, आपको हिंदी समझ में आएगा, पर आप इंग्लिश कैसे सीखोगे? I am speaking very simple language in my channel. Whatever video I make, कोई भी वीडियो मैं बनाता हूँ, everything is very simple. I try to use very simple language so that everyone can understand. So my dear friends, अगर आपको एक बार समझ में नहीं आया, दो बार समझ में नहीं आया, you can repeat. After 3 or 4 times, it will be easy for you to understand. Got it? Today's video is all about how you can develop your vocabulary, how you can improve your vocabulary, plus your sentence formation skill will also get better. So before we get started, my name is Rupam and I welcome you all to my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe. First, how to improve your vocabulary? Well, writing down new words and also the meaning of that words plus the sentence, how you can frame sentence with that word is good. It's very good. But when you try to use them, the same issue will happen. It will go out of your mind. So, I'm sharing with you 3 tips today, which will definitely help you to develop your vocabulary. The number 1 is the very method. Stop using the word very, my dear friends. Many a times, most of the time, we use the word very. Very good, very funny, very intelligent. Instead, we can use some other words. As for example, if you want to say, I am very sad, you can simply say, I am sorrowful. Or, that lady is very nice. Instead of very nice, you can say, that lady is kind. See? You have learned 2 new words. Great. Now you tell me, if I have to tell, Ram is a very funny guy, how you will tell me without using the word very? Please comment and tell me. Next comes Word Power Made Easy. Well, this is a book I will always recommend to everyone. If you want to increase your vocabulary, if you want to develop your vocabulary, please go through this book. This book has nice words and it is so easy and so simple to understand. Believe me, I never felt bored by going through this book. You can also try it out. Number 3 is be curious. Wherever you find new words, grab it. Try to store it in your mind. From a pamphlet which the delivery boy comes and gives it to your house, or a biscuit wrapper, or a chocolate wrapper, or newspaper, or magazines, anywhere. If you come across some new words, just try to get the meaning and try to use those words in your regular life. Every day, make sure at least 2 or 3 words you try to get it in your mind. Never try to ignore any new words. You may think, oh, this is a new word, leave it. No, get those words and try to learn. Next, we come to sentence formation skill. Learning words is great, you need to do that. But only learning words will not help you. You need to know how to form sentences with that. How to use those words in your daily life. When you are talking to someone, how can you use those words? So I have 2 steps which you can follow to improve your sentence formation skill. Number 1, consume English. If you want to learn English, you need to find out the way which is interesting, which you want to do. You need to keep it simple and funny and interesting. Remember, if something is bored, you will not learn easily. If you can make those things funny and interesting, you learn faster. You can read books, you can read newspapers, you can watch YouTube channels, some television channels, speeches, lyrics of the song. Well, I used to sing a lot. I have many songs in my mind. I remember many lyrics. English songs helped me a lot to learn English, to improve my English. Let me share with you one song.
And everything you do, and it was called yellow.
So do what you like. That will help you to remember more. Number 2 point is practice English. It should be your regular duty to practice. It's not that today I practice, tomorrow is my break. Day after tomorrow I'll practice. No, dear. Every day should be your learning day. Okay? Every day should be a learning day. You can learn through any source. You can either learn through your friends. If you have some good neighbors, you can talk to them. If your family members are there who can help you, that's wonderful. You can learn through YouTube, podcast. Try to find out people who is good in English. Maybe your school teacher, English teacher. You can approach them, talk to them, and they can also share feedback with you. Also, there is an app called Cambly. Cambly is an app where you get teachers from all around the world. You can talk to them. They will give a good feedback where you need to improve. In this way, you learn a lot of things. I'm giving you an assignment today. I have an assignment for you. You need to tell me 3 things. What is it that you fear the most when it comes to speaking in English? जब आप इंग्लिश में बात करते हो, आपको किससे डर लगता है? Let me know. I will wait for your comments. So, these are the few tips, my dear friends. I'm sure you will benefit. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.